The iPhone 17 series has barely hit the shelves, but the rumor mill is already buzzing about what's next. And trust me, the iPhone 18 Pro lineup could be one of Apple's boldest moves in years. So, should you buy the iPhone 17 now, or hold off for the iPhone 18? Let's break it all down. Music transition. Fire a new look and serious performance boost. If you thought the iPhone 17 Pro was the peak of Apple's innovation, think again. Early leaks suggest the iPhone 18 Pro is in line for a striking new design, slimmer bezels, and possibly even more durable materials. But the real game changer is under the hood. The iPhone 18 Pro is rumored to debut with the A20 Bionic chip, built on cutting-edge 2nm technology. This would make it one of the fastest and most power-efficient smartphone processors ever made, delivering smoother gaming, faster multitasking, and next-level AI features that could put iOS miles ahead of competitors. Plus, the new C2 modem could improve both connectivity and battery life, a welcome upgrade for anyone tired of their phone draining by midday. Music transition. Camera with flash cameras that could outshine Samsung. Apple gave the iPhone 17 series a decent camera bump, but insiders claim the iPhone 18 Pro cameras will be a whole new beast. The big rumor? Apple may introduce a variable aperture system on the 48-megapixel main sensor, something we've already seen Samsung experiment with. For creators, this means far greater control over low-light shots, portrait depth, and cinematic video recording. There's also talk of stacked image sensors from Samsung, which could bring sharper details, reduced noise, and a wider dynamic range. And if that's true, Apple's cameras may finally overtake Google's Pixel in computational photography. Music transition. Eyes the end of the dynamic island? Face ID has been around since 2017, and while Apple evolved it into the dynamic island, leaks suggest the iPhone 18 might shrink it even further. Apple is reportedly working on moving Face ID sensors under the display, leaving only the front camera visible. Imagine an iPhone with nearly edge-to-edge screen real estate, with no bulky cutout distracting you. This would bring iPhones closer to the sleek look of top-tier Androids, but with Apple's polished ecosystem. Music transition. Calendar a different launch strategy. Now, here's where Apple could surprise everyone. Instead of launching all models at once, reports suggest a two-phase release schedule. In September 2026, Apple may unveil the iPhone 18 Pro, 18 Pro Max, and iPhone Air 2 as the premium lineup. Then, by March 2027, we could see the iPhone 18 and 18e positioned as more affordable models, designed to boost sales right before Apple's new financial year. This staggered release would be a big shift from Apple's traditional strategy, and it could mean the Pro models get more spotlight than ever before. Music transition. Battery, and durability, a silent revolution. One of the most exciting whispers is around silicon-carbon batteries. Unlike standard lithium-ion, this tech promises higher energy density, meaning longer battery life without making the phone heavier. If Apple pulls the trigger, the iPhone 18 Pro could finally surpass even the best Android flagships in battery performance. Imagine a phone that lasts longer than the iPhone 16 Pro Max, yet feels slimmer in hand. On the durability side, Apple is rumored to extend ceramic shield protection to the back glass, making both sides tougher against drops and scratches. And while IP68 water resistance is already strong, a possible upgrade to IP69 would make the iPhone 18 nearly indestructible against dust, mud, and even high-pressure water. Music transition. High voltage, why waiting might be the smarter move. Here's the honest truth. While the iPhone 17 series is solid, its upgrades aren't game-changing. Many users report only minor differences compared to the iPhone 16. The iPhone 18 Pro, however, promises meaningful improvements, from cameras and design to performance and durability. For anyone rocking an iPhone 15 or 16 right now, waiting one more year could give you a far better upgrade for your money. Music transition. Pushpin final thoughts. The iPhone 18 Pro is shaping up to be the most exciting iPhone in years. With its rumored A20 chip, variable aperture cameras, under-display Face ID, longer battery life, and tougher design, it's hard not to get excited. But of course, these are early leaks, and Apple could still change direction. That said, history shows that when this many rumors line